Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Boombox 3. In this video I'll show you where is the power outlet, thanks to which you can charge your smartphone. In the beginning, take a look on the back of the speaker and now open this cover. The power outlet, thanks to which you can charge your devices, is located right here. This is the outlet thanks to which you can charge the speaker. In the end, right here, we've got the 3.5 mini jack, thanks to which you can connect your speaker directly to the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.